Most people go through life learning about money the hard way, through mistakes, missed opportunities, and years of trial and error. But what if you could skip all that and fast track your financial growth with a few simple hacks that most people never talk about? These 5 financial hacks are things you will wish you had known much earlier. And the best part is they are easy to apply starting today. The first one is automation. The biggest financial trap is not spending, it's inconsistency. If you wait until the end of the month to save or invest whatever left, chances are there won't be anything left. Set up automatic transfer that move money into your saving or investment accounts the day you get paid. Make it invisible and untouchable. That way you force yourself to live on what's left and your future starts building itself passively every single month. The second hack is learning how to negotiate everything, and I mean everything: your salary, your bills, your rent, even your credit card invest. Most people never ask, and companies rarely offer discounts unless you push for them. A simple 5-minute phone call or email could save you 100 a year. When you multiply that across years, that thousands in your pocket, all from asking one extra question. Third is understanding the cost per use mindset. Before you buy something, stop thinking about how cheap or expensive it is upfront. Instead, ask yourself how often you will actually use it. A $300 jacket you wear 50 times is better value than a $30 shirt you wear once. This mindset saves you from wasting money on impulse purchases that look good but never get used. Shifts your focus from price to practically, and that's how smart people spend. The fourth financial hack is building what I call a no spend rule. Set boundaries around your spending, even if it's just for certain days or categories. For example, no spending on takeout during weekdays, or no shopping apps on your phone at all. When you create friction between yourself and your money, you naturally become more intentional. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about taking control. The more you control your impulse, the more money stays in your account and grows. And finally, use what I call the future you filter. Every time you're about to make financial decision, big or small, ask yourself, will future be glad I did this? The 1 second pause creates mindset shift. It makes you think long term, and long term thinking is where real wealth begins. Whether it's choosing to invest, not asking on unnecessary debt, or saying no to something you don't really need. This filter gives you clarity in noisy world. The truth is, wealth is not built overnight. It's built through smart, consistent habits that stack up over time. These 5 financial hacks might seem small on their own, but combined, they can completely change the way you handle money and change your life in the process.